All right. Part 8.5, explanation for homework 1, question number 14. Yeah. This question, I think, is the most challenging question in this assignment. Yeah. So what I feel, the reason is it is a little tricky. Yeah, it is a little tricky. Yeah. All right, so let me, give you a hint. Yeah, so this one we really need to have some, strong hint to solve this problem correctly. Yeah. Given an array with 12 elements, yeah, what is the minimum number of comparisons? Yeah, that means we want to find the best solution. Minimum number of comparisons. We need to find an element. What kind of element? That is neither the largest nor the smallest. That's the critical condition. Not the largest, not the smallest. That's the condition. Only condition we need. Yeah. Assume that no two elements in the array have the same value. That means this array has distinct elements. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Distinct elements. All right. Yeah. For simplicity. Yeah. Because when we do discussion, we do not need to worry about what would happen if two elements have the same value. So that will make the discussion more complicated. So we make this assumption. Yeah. So it is not a, big assumption, in the real world situation, because in the real world situation, usually we do not have this assumption, but it's fine. Yeah. After we get a solution for distinct array elements, we can easily modify it to get a solution for any possible case. Yeah. Yeah. All right. So let me point the right direction for the analysis. Yeah. This one, in order to find solution, we really need to find that insight. Otherwise, if you cannot find this insight, you may end up with a very bad solution. A very bad solution. Yeah. Here, let me point out and obviously a very bad solution. All right? Obviously a very bad solution. All right? One common way people do the solution is in this way. Yeah. All right? Start, yeah, here, let me put this bad here. Yeah. Because I don't want you to use this solution. Okay? So I put this bad solution here. All right? Yeah. Right. Some people start, 12 elements. 12 elements. Yeah. So here, 12 elements. Step 1, from 12 elements, find the largest. All right? Yeah. Find the largest element. Yeah, I do not write element, all right? Yeah. Find the largest element. How many comparisons do we need? N minus 1, right? N. So this is N. N equals 12. N minus 1. Yeah. Module 1, optimal solution. Find the largest, find the smallest. Yeah, N minus 1. So using 11 comparisons. All right? You'll find the largest one, right? Yeah. Now you remove the largest one. How about that? You throw away the largest, take away the largest element. Remaining 11 elements, they do not include the largest, right? Yeah. You have remaining 11 elements. So the step 2, this time your n equals 11 because remaining 11 elements. Now you find the smallest in this remaining 11 elements. How many comparisons? 10, right? Then you throw away the smallest, right? Then, after you throw away the largest, throw away the smallest, you have 10 elements left. You just select one of the 10 elements. That satisfies the condition, right? Yeah. But after you put things together, how many comparisons do you need? 11 plus 10, 21. Is this the best you can do? Too many. Too many comparisons. So if you use this way, the conclusion is you use too many comparisons. Not a good solution. So that's why I put this bad, very bad solution. All right. So now, next, let me give you the hint for the best possible solution. So that's important. That's important. All right. Insight. Now, insight. All right. Insight. Yeah. Still 2 steps. Yeah. 2 steps. All right. Step 1, select any 2 elements. You just select any 2 elements. Okay? Yeah. X1 and X2. After you select it, you do one comparison. How about that? Yeah. One comparison between X1 and X2. You can assume X1 less than X2. How about that? Yeah, without loss of generality. Yeah, X1 less than X2. One smaller, one bigger, right? Yeah, all right. Now, because after that, we know X2 can not be the smallest, right? X2 cannot be the smallest. Yeah, because X1 is less than X2. So X2 cannot be the smallest, all right? Yeah. Another thing, X1 cannot be the largest. All right? Yeah. X1 cannot be, here you can see, you only need one comparison. You can get information like this. X2 cannot be the smallest. X1 cannot be the largest. All right? Yeah. Then you may need to do a little more. Can you find one element? Yeah. For example, after that, you just use that observation you get from the previous step. Yeah. Find X0. It satisfies 2 conditions. X0, this element cannot be the smallest. X0 cannot be the largest. Can you do that? Yeah. With the minimum number of comparisons. How about that? The minimum number of comparisons. x0 cannot be the smallest. x0 cannot be the largest. Now, using the first step, observation. The first step, what kind of observation you can get? Yeah. Because here I cannot tell you the whole solution, right? Otherwise, it's not interesting. Yeah. It is not challenging. Yeah. But here I point out one direction to you. Yeah. You need to complete the whole solution by yourself. Yeah. With this direction, you need to complete the whole solution by yourself. Yeah. All right, so let me stop right here. Yeah.